Moving on to an Ebix Cash news alert, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh joined the military commanders along with the team of secretary-level officers from the Defence Ministry. The valedictory session on the third and final day, the ministry said, will be chaired by Prime Minister Modi. NSA Ajit Doval, who will also be in attendance. The conference is hosting the combined apex-level military leadership of the country, reviewing the security situation and defence preparedness of the forces, apart from deliberating pertinent organizational issues for evolving a joint military vision for the future. My colleague Shivani has all the details. Let's listen in. Over to you, Shivani.
Swesha, we know that the Combined Commanders Conference that started yesterday has been joined by the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today, and he'll be there for the next 2 days. And as we know that this is the topmost commanders, top brass from the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. We know that this is for the defence preparedness and the security review of the whole nation. And this year it's all the more important because after the setup of the DMA, the Department for Military Affairs, and the disengagement that has happened and the China issue that has been dealt with, this is the conference which has been attended by all these senior officers. And a very important element of this conference is the synergy between Army, Navy and Air Force, the jointness, how well these forces can work together, and also the Atmanirbhar campaign, which has been the focus for the Indian Defence Forces, will also be discussed. And we know that Defence Minister, he's already there in Kevadia. He's attending the conference. He has been given a presentation by the top commanders. And tomorrow, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing the conference, the Combined Commanders Conference in Kevadia. And we know that last year, due to COVID, the conference was cancelled. And prior to that, after 2014, it has been held at various places, and it's a multi-layered conference with the officers also and NCOs also from the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force participating this time. Swesha.